How to create and share photo albums in Google Photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Google Photos and at the left side, click on Albums. After you click on Albums, you will find this kind of screen pop up. On the top right, you will find Create Album option. Click on Create Album. After that, add title of your album and then press on Add Photos. Then your photos will pop up. Simply select all the photos you want to add to the album. You will also find Select from your computer option, which is from your device. You can click on it and select the photos from computer as well. Then press on Open and it will add it to the album. Then press on Share option at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you will find people's email. You can share it by it or simply click on Create Link at the bottom. Press on Create Link and copy the link and send it to people, and it will work as shared photo albums. And this is how to create and share photo albums in Google Photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.